Hey guys, it's Braylon Christopher back with another video, and today we're gonna show you how to get Windows 11 on your PC. So I'm just gonna delete all of this real quick. Then we're gonna type in Rufus. Rufus install. When you type in Rufus install, you want to click the first one. Now it shows up this. You want to scroll down for your thing. So if you have a 32-bit computer, you want to click this one. But since I have a 64-bit, I'm going to click this one. It shows my folders. So I'm going to go to my downloads. I'm gonna click Linux files and I'll see Rufus. And I'm gonna just drag it over to my USB. Then when it's done, no, I'm just doing it on my Chromebook because my computer is slow, and yeah. So after that, you wanna click I'm gonna just click eject. Okay, if you can skip all of this part, but I'm just gonna eject this. Put the computer to the side, and you're gonna have to give it a minute. Okay, so I'm on my Windows laptop. So I'm going to head over to my File Explorer. And you gotta go to your File Explorer to do this. So mine's opened. So for yours, you want to click downloads. But for mine, I'm going to click this. I'm going to click this. And I have Rufus 444. I'm going to drag it to my downloads so I can show y'all. And it says copy to downloads. And mine's just copy to downloads. So then I'm going to click. Then you're going to right click. Then right, you want to click it first, then right click. Then you want to click run as administrator. If you will just show up, run as administrator. you can minimize this page. It will show Rufus some. You want to click yes. Then I'm going to minimize this page because you can exit out or minimize this page because you don't need it anymore. I'm going to pause this video until it opens. Okay, so when you see a screen that says, does Rufus like to check for updates, you want to click yes. Okay, so you want to plug in your USB, and mine's going to say right on PC, but whatever you're using. So if you want to upgrade to Windows 10 or Windows 11, and it's not compatible. Windows 11 is not compatible with my PC, so it's gonna say open, but you want to click out of this. You don't need it. Then you want to click that. You want to click right there. Then you want to click download. Then you want to click the download button, and it's gonna take a while, and it's gonna say downloading some. It's going to be fine. If you're running like an old PC, you want to use MBR, and you want to use BIOS or UEFI. It's saying running the download script. And if you have already an ISO image, then you want to click select and get one from your downloads. So I'm going to click Windows 11. Okay, once I click Windows 11, it's gonna show it's gonna show the release date. So if you want it's going to show this only release date. So then you want to click continue, any addition, and click continue. After you click that, then it's going to show in your files. The language, you want to change it to United States. You don't want to add that. So you want to click continue, saying please wait. Archer 64. You can only install it on 64-bit. And I'm going to show you another way how to install it on a 32-bit in my next video. And I know tomorrow is Mother's Day. So I'm probably going to upload this video on this date, Saturday, and if I don't get to it, it's going to get updated on, if my stuff can show. On Wednesday or next Saturday. Tomorrow, Mother's Day. And yeah. Okay, so once you have this popped up, the file name is going to be Windows 23 H2. You want to click save. Just have that regularly. It'll click downloading. It'll say downloading. And if yours go by that fast, you're lucky. But I'm going to wait for mine, and I'm going to stop the video again until it's downloaded. Okay, so once it says ready, if you have an older system, you want to click just loads. You want to click MBR if you have an older system, GBT if you have a newer system. You want to do a standard Windows installation. You can rename it. I'm gonna just rename mine. Then I'm going to click start to, and it will say Windows user experience. Now it says remove requirement for an online Microsoft account. You can keep that on or off. I'm just gonna keep it off. You want to keep this on if you can't update to Windows 11 on your account. So now I'm gonna click OK. Then it will start to, and it'll say warning, all data on that USB device will be destroyed. And yeah, you need a USB device. And you want to click OK. Then it's saying deleting partitions. Then it's going to start all over again. I'll come back when it's finished. So after this is done, it would say ready. Then you want to close out of this. Then you want to restart your PC. I'll go to the part where you restart your PC. Okay, so right now I just did the progress. It took a while, but yeah, it's copying files from the USB down here, and I'm going to show you when it boots into Windows 11. And yes, this is Windows 11. This is not Windows 10. I promise, bro. Okay guys, so my computer is booting up into Windows 11. You can see by this is the new one. And yeah. And that's how you install Windows 11 on your PC. And you've got Windows 11 on volume. Got two of them. I don't really know why, but I'm going to try to delete the one that has Windows 11 on it, the first one. Then I'm gonna try to delete the one that has the second one on there, so I can switch back and forth. I'm basically like dual booting it. So yeah, after a long time, Windows 11 is on this PC and running, and that's how you install Windows 11. I hope you like this video. Subscribe, like, turn your post notifications on, and